You guys, I just realized how weird my hair looks like this. Like, my hairline, though, honestly, what the heck? That just looks so weird. My hair, like, I feel like I look so different with, like, my bangs when they're like this versus, like, when they're like that. I don't know. That's just so weird to me. But yes, I have my hair tied back in a scrunchie since I own like 10 scrunchies now. Okay, guys, so I'm just gonna start out with my BB cream, which is the Maybelline Dream BB Fresh. And if you guys have watched a lot of my past videos, you already know, like, this is what I use. But this is like a everyday makeup routine, so yeah. I'm gonna move a bit closer, you guys, so that you guys can just see what I'm trying to do here. So you guys, I'm just gonna go in and just like kind of just go in on my forehead. I use my BB cream as like a foundation with less coverage, basically, and it just kind of works. And I have been staying home for the past like 6 days, you guys. I'm filming this on a Sunday, by the way, so I've been home since like Monday because of the coronavirus outbreak throughout the whole entire world, and I just have been staying home because honestly, you know, I mean, I'm technically immune compromised, and also I've been recovering from a cold that I've had for the past few days as well. Luckily, it is getting better. I'm not coughing as much anymore because I went to the doctor to get checked out and all that. So yeah, I went to the doctor on Monday, and since then I have not been out of the house. And even before that, I didn't really leave the house much. I think I only left the house like twice, you know. I'm like, yeah. In the week prior to that, I'm gonna put on a little bit more BB cream. I'm actually gonna be making a whole separate video on the coronavirus and just about like the basic info regarding what the coronavirus is and how it's affecting people. And that video probably gonna go up before this, so yeah, that's on that. And I think a lot of people are just not staying home, which is honestly annoying. Honestly, not just because of the fact that like you need to be protecting those around you, but like theoretically anyone could get it. It could, you know, like, so I mean, anything could happen, honestly, since that's just life. And so you don't want to put yourself at risk of getting the virus, because you never know who could be at risk. That's the thing. Like, when it comes to like the elderly, I feel like it's more obvious who is an elderly person, but when it comes to the immune compromised, you never know who might be immune compromised. That's what I think people just need to think about it that way. And obviously, if you live in a place that there are a lot of coronavirus cases, I think it's just common to just stay home if you can, but also don't feel bad if you can't, because at the end of the day, if you have to work and you have to do that, that's obviously one thing. But if you're just, you know, going out because, oh, you know, I'm off of school, I don't have any homework, I'm gonna go out to the mall, it ain't it. It ain't it, honestly, you know? So yeah, that's just kind of my thoughts on that. Now I'm gonna go in with my Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm just gonna go in on like my forehead in particular, but I'm trying not to go too in depth because like honestly, it's just gonna be all covered up when I have my bangs in the front like that. So yeah. You guys, I'm just blending everything in with my fingers at this point because I feel like I just have always been doing this. Because I think now, not even now, but I always wash my hands like before doing my makeup and stuff. And hand sanitize, but now, especially because of Corona and all that, now because of coronavirus, everyone is being 10 times more careful, washing their hands all the more, which is good. That's good. But it's so strange to me because I feel like it should be common knowledge for a lot of people, and I'm sure it is for quite a few people, to just wash your hands and stuff. And if you aren't able to wash your hands because there is no sink near you, hand sanitizer, you know, way to go. Or double up even, you know, nothing wrong with that. And yeah, that's something that is, yeah. And something funny, this is kind of funny, but you know how alcohol has like alcohol in it? And I think in order for it to be a proper hand sanitizer, it has to like have a certain amount of alcohol in it. And so like, you know, if the alcohol that some people drink had like a lot of alcohol in it, like, you know, you get the hand sanitizer. Also, you guys, where I live, people are like on quarantine and stuff, just self-quarantining. A lot of people are doing it because like, you know. Okay, you guys, so this is the one step that like, one of the few steps in my routine that I actually use a brush for, and it's just putting powder on over me concealer and a BB cream. And the powder that I use is the Maybelline Fit Me powder. So yeah, and this one's in the shade 235 Pure Beige, and my concealer is in the shade Light Medium, I believe. So, and now I'm gonna go in with my bronzer. I used to never use bronzer, you guys. At first I used to use it, and then I didn't like how it looked on me, and then I kind of stopped using it, and now I kind of came back to it. And I'm using the Hoola Benefit bronzer, the Benefit Hoola bronzer. Y'all probably heard of this. Maybe you haven't, maybe you have, I don't know. And this is what it looks like. Wait, and I have like 2 of these, but this one that I have is like the one that's just like the individual Hoola bronzer. I have one, it's in like a Benefit palette, and it's like kind of old, and I haven't used that one in a while, but that's like the first time I really used bronzer. This is just the bronzer that I use, the Hoola bronzer, and I'm taking the same brush, the EcoTools brush, and I kind of just put it on the side like that. I don't really do much. And I kind of just go like that. Okay, that last bite was like just... Y'all, I think I did too much here. I don't know if you could see that. Now I'm going to go in with my Glossier blush. And this is the Cloud Paint. It's in the shade Storm. And as you can see, it's like a very red. I'm going to put like just the slightest bit on the back of my hand because I don't want to put so much of it on. And I'm going to put like a little bit on my nose. I'm just putting like the slightest bit on because I don't want my cheeks to get all like super red and like look like bright, you know, cherry red. You know what I mean? And so I'm just adding like a little tint just so that I kind of look more awake, I guess. And you guys, I just literally take my finger and I go like that. This looks kind of like blood and it's just blush. And I just go again. I blend it out, baby. And I accidentally got some on my eyes, you guys, like, or like on my eyelids. You guys, I haven't worn makeup in a while because I just don't wear it that often. Like, I only will wear makeup when I'm like doing a video, or if I'm like, I don't know, bored and I feel like it, or I'm just like, you know, why not, yeah. Or if it's like a special occasion such as my birthday, which looking back, I did not even wear makeup on my birthday, but I wore makeup at my birthday party. So yeah, or if it's like, you know, Christmas, which I don't quite remember if I wore makeup on Christmas or not. I think I may have, but I don't think I did. And you know, like a special occasion like that, you know, I'll like wear makeup and stuff. Or you know, again, like if I'm filming a video, or if I just feel like it. But if I'm just chilling at home, a lot of the time I'll just like not wear makeup, or if anything, maybe I'll wear a little lip gloss, but like, you know, nothing much. And I'm going in with my Frilliance Self-Illuminating Cream. I'm going in with my Frilliance Illuminating Cream Self Glow Highlighter. Wow, that's a long name. And I've used this since I got it, and I've just loved how natural it is, and it's just great for like the everyday filming look. And I have like 2 or 3 other highlighters that I also use here and there as well, but this is the ones that I've mainly been using, you know, for the past few months, since it's like an everyday routine. So a lot of these products are products that I've just been using for at least the last 3 months or so. Yeah. Next, I'm gonna go back to the Hoola bronzer because I am gonna put some of this on my lid. I don't always do this, you know, but I just want to put on a little. I want to put a little something on my eyes, and so I'm just gonna take a little bit of my Hoola bronzer yet again and take it on a little eyeshadow brush and just kind of put it on my eyes. And my lids are just naturally like red like that, and so I feel like if I put a little bit of this, it just makes my eyes look better. I'm gonna put on a little more, you guys, because I feel like I can never go wrong with this. Or I can, I don't know. Now you guys, on the topic of eyes, I am going to do my brows. Okay, so on the topic of eyes / eyebrows, I'm going to use my Benefit Gimme Brow for my eyebrows. And for my eyebrows, I just keep it really natural, and I also realized I think I put on a little too much bronzer eyeshadow, but for my eyebrows, I just kind of go in and just like do that. I literally just like brush through them. I don't even really do anything, and I don't even try with the shape. I just kind of go. I don't say, I just do. You know what I mean? Also, you guys, I didn't realize this, but this, like, little brush, it looks so tiny, you guys. Oh my god. Like, the little brush, like, that you use to, like, you know, the spoolie thing on this, it's so tiny, and I feel like I just didn't realize that until now, but yeah. And we are almost done, you guys, so don't you worry. So, for my lips, what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna start out with, okay, so for my lips, I'm gonna use 2 things. First off, I'm gonna go in with my Glossier BalmDotCalm in the shade Birthday. Now, this I just like to use to moisturize my lips a little bit. Now, sometimes I'll just use this and call it a day. I oftentimes use that, and it's just like a, not really tinted, it's pretty sheer, but I love the smell of it. Some people don't like the smell because it's like really sweet and stuff, because like some people don't like that kind of smell, but I love the super sweet birthday cake smell. It's so good to me. It's like vanilla, and I just love it. Now, sometimes I will go in with my Fenty gloss as well, which this I feel like kind of has a similar smell to it. I'm just trying to remember. Oh yeah, this has a similar smell, kind of vanilla-y. And I don't remember what shade this is in, but this is the Fenty Beauty Gloss, and I just gone with a little bit. And then my lips are like extra glossy for that like glossy natural type of look. And also my lips are like super moisturized then. And the last final step is I just fix my hair. Take it out of this little scrunchie, you know. And then you guys, once I have my hair down, bangs down, everything fixed, looking like a queen, you know, it'd be like that, I call it a day, and that's my makeup. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this everyday makeup routine, sit down, get ready with me style video. Let me know if you guys want want to see more makeup like videos and like what other videos you want to see from me. And I will have kind of some extra time to film. I say kind of because I still have to do schoolwork, but I'm also gonna be home a lot. So yes, let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see. Stay safe this during the time of the coronavirus outbreak, global pandemic time. And yeah, also if you guys want to see more updates from me and what I'm doing and all of that, go follow my Instagram, which is TheMaddieInsider. I will have it here. And yeah, I'm not really active on all my other social platforms other than Instagram, so that is why I am telling you guys follow my Instagram if you would like to. And yeah, with all that said, again, don't forget to subscribe if you guys want more videos from me. And yeah, I will see you guys next time. Bye guys, and have a lovely, safe day or night. Bye.